What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. Today we're going to do something different, something you haven't seen in this channel before. We're going to have a tech YouTuber, a guest that will do unboxing and review for us. So her name is Anna Brickstock. Her channel you can check out in the description below, and also the social media over here. And by the way, if you are interested, if you do want to be featured in this channel, All About Me, you comment down below, we can connect, or you can email my contact in this channel. So make sure you connect to me and we can speak, or we can actually discuss something or possibility that you'll be featured in this channel. Alright, so without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing Xiaomi's latest pair of affordable earbuds called the Mi Basic 2S. The Mi Basic 2S True Wireless earbuds are the new updated version to the predecessor, the Mi Basic 2. These earbuds are an affordable pair of true wireless earbuds, ideal if you're on a tight budget. Retailing at under £25 in the UK, which is about $35 US, they came packaged well, and inside the box you get the earbuds themselves along with their wireless charging case, an instruction booklet and 2 more pairs of silicone ear tips. In total, you get 3 pairs of ear tips, small, medium and large, to ensure that the earbuds fit comfortably and securely into anyone's ears. Something you don't get included is a USB Type-C charging cable, which is required for charging the wireless charging case. So if you don't already own a USB Type-C cable, unfortunately you will need to purchase one of these separately. The charging case is matte black plastic and the earbuds themselves have a glossy finish. There are some LED indicators to show when they are charging, and there are touch controls built in, unlike the previous Mi Basic 2 earbuds, which had a physical button that you had to press. The touch controls mean whilst wearing the earbuds, you can simply tap the side of the earbud to pause, play, skip songs, etc. My favourite feature of these earbuds is that they also have a sensor, which means whenever you put the earbuds into your ears, the music will automatically start playing, and then when the music is already playing and you want to take the earbuds out of your ears, when you take the earbuds out, the music will automatically pause. I'm no audiophile, but the sound quality overall is nice and clear. It doesn't sound cheap or tinny, and there seems to be a good amount of bass. They also seem to help block out some background noise when wearing in noisy areas, even though they do not have active noise cancelling. I have found the earbuds to be comfortable to wear, and they look like most other wireless earbuds when in your ear. Nothing too obvious with their compact design. The earbuds use Bluetooth to wirelessly connect to your phone, tablet, laptop, etc. And as soon as you open up the wireless charging case, they will appear in the Bluetooth option on your phone to easily connect, or if you have a Xiaomi phone, it will pop up on the screen like it does with Apple devices with a pair of AirPods. On the first use, you will need to manually pair the earbuds, but like I said, this is very quick and easy to do, and then after that they will auto connect for easy Bluetooth pairing. These earbuds also have built-in mics, so you can accept and make calls hands-free. However, the mic isn't that clear, so I wouldn't necessarily use these earbuds for making lots of calls. Lastly, moving on to battery life. The wireless charging case, when fully charged, can give you up to 20 hours of battery life, and the earbuds themselves hold up to 4 hours charge each time. Overall, plenty of charge for listening to music whilst travelling or even when on a long journey. In conclusion, these are a lovely pair of true wireless earbuds. Not only are they very affordable, but they also have premium features such as the Bluetooth connection pairing and touch controls. So that's everything for my review, and if you would like to purchase the Mi Basic 2S True Wireless earbuds, I will put the purchase link below in the video description.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I would like to thank Anna for being our guest today. Do check out her links in the description below, and also if you are interested to be featured in this channel, make sure you connect to me either in the comments or in my contact details. And this has been Christian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.